What? Temperature outside, and what's the high?
The high will be 85 degrees Fahrenheit.
Thank you. Don't shake.
6% has landed where the trees, the cheese, the bees are squares. 17 must be.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another one. Man, today, man, I just want to talk about starting the year off 2025. We had goals, man. And I know we probably started off pretty rough. Maybe it went good for you. But we had those goals. Guess what? This is the second quarter. We got to stick to those goals. Nope. The year ain't over with. Lock in, man. You still have 3 quarters to go. We haven't even reached halftime yet. You know? So, like I say, man, earlier this year, May didn't go too good for you. Don't give up, you know? That's the easiest thing to do, is to give up, man. But I'm here to tell you, you got it. You have it, man. Day trading is not easy. It's a tough journey. It's a lonely journey. So, you're gonna hear a lot of people. You know, you may have a lot of people who don't believe in you, don't agree with what you're doing, don't understand what you're doing. But, hey, you have a friend here, man, and I believe in you. Yes, sir. I still believe 2025 is going to be a good year for you. You know? We just got to lock in. We got to lock in. We gotta stay consistent, you know, and that's what it's all about. 2025, we're not giving up. For what? You know, you already getting close, man. You have figured out a strategy, you know. Now, you probably just need to get over that psychological part, right? Revenge trading, over trading, being greedy, taking an L and letting that pretty much determine how the rest of your week go. And listen, if you have been taking L's, understand it's okay. This been a crazy week, a crazy couple weeks, a crazy few weeks. Actually, since the year started, we've been getting non-stop volatility. At an all-time high, you can say. You know, some people can agree to disagree, but man, we got a president who's down there every week is tweeting something new. So we got to learn how to trade around all this volatility, right? You know, you feel like if it's too much going on, limit your trading. Trade the Asia session or the London session, you know? If you trade 5 days a week, go to 2 days a week, 3 days a week, you know? All it takes is one win, man. One win a week, be done. You don't have to overtrade. Overtrade for what? You know? Yeah, I understand people, you see a lot of people on social media making thousands, 20, 40, 30,000. It's okay, man. Do not let what somebody else is doing dictate what you're supposed to be doing. You know, you have a goal. You have your own separate goal. Stick to that goal. Don't deviate from your goal. Stick to it. Lock in. I'm just on here as a motivational speaker, man, because if I don't do it, man, who will? A lot of people on here, they're not here to motivate, right? You got a lot of people just on social media to tear you down, to troll. I understand. I get it, man. Listen, I believe in you, man. I know you got it. 2025 is going to be a great year. I'll say it again. 2025 is going to be a great year. You have it. You got it locked in, man. I'm just doing give me a walk in, man. Get my 10,000 steps in. But I just wanted to, you know, tap in with y'all, man, and let y'all know y'all got it, man. Give a little motivational speech, man, for y'all. Let me go ahead and continue on with my day with the fam, man. Again, stay locked in, stay consistent. I'm gonna show y'all real quick how to put together a Tomahawk steak, man. Great trading week. So of course I'm treating myself to something. And today we got Tomahawk. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski. Yes, sirski. Man, don't trip about my grill, man. I know I got a little grill. Look, what is this? I don't even know the name of this joint. Need to give me another one. Charbroil joint. Little gas grill. Got my charcoal grill over there, but we're gonna use the gas grill today. All right, so right now I'm just checking. Oh yeah, that's good to go. Let's see about this one. Not so much. Yeah. Let me move this over. Good old Sunday. Easter Sunday. Good old Easter. Easter Asia session. Yes, sir. Look at this bullshit, man. Excuse my language. Look at this, man. It went 2 points away from my goddamn sale limit. 2 points. You see that candle wick? Hey, this can be a cold market, man. This can be a cold market. The stock market is something else. Man, do y'all see this? Let me zoom in. Literally one tick, man. The market just be playing games, man. There we go. There we go. Trying to embarrass me in front of. I thought they were trying to embarrass me in front of company, man. Man, look, we instantly drop. Hit my target. Look at the market. Y'all see that? Hit my target, and we got a heavy rejection. Come on, man. Listen. Hit the link in the bio. Y'all come join the winning team, man. Y'all just seen this trade. Y'all seen it. Y'all seen it unfold. No, this is not a paper trade. Y'all seen this unfold. I'm out. All right, y'all. So let's go over the trade that I just executed. You guys seen it. You guys seen it, man. So I want to talk about that trade, man. Why I took the trade, how I took the trade, and everything else. Again, that was not a paper trade. Okay. So the first thing I seen, again, this is the Asia session. So we opened, we made a high,
382.75. We made a low. Let me mark that low. So we got our low, right? We're gonna mark that sell side liquidity. So we got our high and a low of the day, which is buy side, sell side liquidity. We want to see the market trade to one of these directions. If you're bullish, you want to see it trade up there. If you're bearish, you want to see it trade up there, vice versa, whatever your model is. My model, personally, what I seen was that we consolidated right here on a 5-minute chart. This is the NQM 225, 2025. We consolidated. We broke out this right here. We displaced higher. We swung back low, back into this candle right here. This is key right here, man, right here. All right, so right here was an order block. So I missed this move right here, which I'm glad I did because there we go, order block, this candle. I missed this move right here. We traded into this order block. We went up, right? We traded back down into this order block. That was then confirmation. This is a confirmation candle for us to go higher. All right. That was all I needed to see. I did a Fibonacci so I can get my the high, the low, and then the midpoint of this order block. Being that we didn't even have enough, the sellers didn't even have enough strength to even trade back to this midpoint of this order block, I seen that was bullish. So now I want to go to the 1-minute chart. All right, so we're on a 1-minute chart. This right here is that order block. We ran up, came back down into this order block right here as well. We went up. Now we have a sell side liquidity. Here's my model, right? If my bias is bullish and we have sell side liquidity, minor sell side liquidity. If we go up, swing, we got to swing low, swing high. I want us to come back down here, sweep out this liquidity, and then go higher, right? As we go higher, I'm looking at this, which would have been a bearish fair value gap. If we break above it, it turns into an inversion fair value gap, which is bullish, right? So once we swept liquidity, we ran up, turned this into an inversion fair value gap. I'm looking for an entry. This is enough for me. I also see that this can be a bullish breaker. So now we got sell side liquidity snatch. We got an inversion fair value gap. And now we possibly have a bullish breaker. I keep saying bullish breaker. This is all I needed to see right here. This is enough confluence for me to take this trade. All right. So as you can see right here, I entered at 303 for 3 NQ minis and only won 30 points. 30 points. That was enough for me. All right. So once we broke above it, this gave me enough confidence that we was going to my level. Remember this swing high? It is now a buy side liquidity. It is now minor buy side liquidity. And then above that, we have this high right here of the Asia session, which is buy side liquidity. And look at that. 18,378. That's 5 points shy from the next target. All right. But we're going to focus on this one right here, this minor buy sell liquidity, because that's all I was trying to get. All right. So again, once we traded right here, we consolidated. I entered on this candle right here because I knew we was going to break out. The following candle, this is a 1 minute chart. We broke out. Perfect. Perfecto. We broke out, went up. Now this candle, what was this? Oh, this candle went up, but it did not take my order, man. It did not take my sell limit orders, man. And that ticked me off. And then we dropped heavy. But what we do? We gave buyers another chance to get in. That's all we did. Look at that. Fair value gap. Bullish. Bullish fair value gap. You know what? Let's call this a BISSY. So we traded back into this BISSY. And then we went right up. We rejected it again. It didn't take my order again. The next two candles, it filled my order. 3 NQ minis at 334. So that was about a 33-point move from here to here. 31-point move. Not too bad, huh? 3 NQ minis. You guys do the math. That's 60, 30, 18. So that was my trade, man. I'm not even worried about the money. I like a lot of times I just like to see my execution work out and play in my favor. You know, the money is good, but seeing how that work out, man, it's a wonderful feeling. So now we could be going lower. We have a high, a low, a higher high, a lower low. This can be treated as a bearish breaker. Change that color to red. Now, we possibly, this could have been a failed high, and we can be looking to come down here to take out the sell side.